In this video, I will compare three of the top transcription tools available today. We are looking at Superwhisper, MacWhisper, and Whisperflow to see which one fits your workflow. First, Superwhisper is famous for its clean interface and deep system integration. It offers a pro version with local processing, which is great if you care about privacy. However, MacWhisper is the king of simplicity. It allows you to drag and drop files easily and offers amazing accuracy using OpenAI engine directly on your Mac. If you need a tool that handles large batches of files without a subscription, MacWhisper is often the best choice for value. On the other hand, Whisperflow is a newer contender that focuses on speed and flow. It is designed to turn your voice into perfect text anywhere you type. While Superwhisper and MacWhisper focus on files and dictation, Whisperflow tries to replace your keyboard entirely. Each tool has unique strengths, so consider if you want file management or real-time typing.